Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I got a very special video for you guys, okay? So this video is for the people out there that don't feel like showing their face in a video, that don't feel like they have as much to offer the YouTube space, but want to be a creator and want to make some sort of money off of YouTube, okay? So I'm gonna teach you guys how to copy and paste videos without coming up with any of your own ideas, without showing your face at all, and make hundreds of dollars a day doing it. And I'm also gonna show you guys some examples so you guys know that this is not clickbait. All right, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so make sure you watch the end of this video because I promise you this will change a lot for you, okay? And right now, I just want to give you guys a little bit more of an understanding on who's doing this. I just want to give you guys some examples of people that are doing it and also give you guys some perspective on how much money these guys are making, okay? So all I did right now was I typed in motivational video. And as I scroll through some of these, I want you guys to realize, be thinking, every 1,000 views that these guys are getting, they're probably getting about $2 or $3 or so. Okay, so you can see 11 hours ago, already 10K views, and let's just keep going. 30 million views 1 year ago, and the next one's him too, and the next one too. Like I just want to give you guys just a lot of people are doing this, and a lot of people are making a lot of money. Okay, and as you make these videos, one of the differences between a regular YouTube video and these videos is if you're like an athlete or a hardcore businessman and you're really into these motivational videos, then you're not just going to watch them one time. So hopefully you guys got an idea on what I'm going to be teaching, how to create these motivational edits that get a lot of views and that don't die off. Okay, and they're super simple to create. Okay, just follow me here. Okay, so all that I looked up right here was motivational audio download. Okay, there's gonna be a bunch of them, but the one that I want you guys to look for is Internet Archive, or you can just literally go to internetarchive.com and search through and find whatever you want. But I just want to show you guys right now. These are all audios for motivational speeches, books, you name it. And just to put this out there, none of these are copyrighted. The reason why they're on Internet Archive and the reason why a lot of people go to this site is because all these are free for whatever use you want to use it for. Okay, I just want you guys to understand that, put that out there, that all this is completely legal and all of this actually works. Okay, so let's just listen to one.
My commitment and obsession is always to be better today than I was yesterday. If I have to make sacrifices to do that, so be it. If I have to tell that person
Okay. And as you can see right here, you can see the length of the audios. So this one's a minute, this one's 52 minutes, 3 minutes. Just for example's sake, I would suggest keeping your motivational edits around like 8 to 15 minutes-ish, somewhere around there, maybe like 8 to 12 minutes. But just for the example of this video, I'm just going to use this audio right here that's 3 minutes. Let's see where you can download it. Okay, perfect. So you can see right here, MP3, that's the one that you want to look for. That's the way that you want to download it. And you can find the audio here. This one might be it. Teamwork motivational video. Okay, this one's a bit different. It's 2 minutes long. But we're going to want to download this one. Download. But as you saw, super simple. I went to Internet Archive. I found the edits. If you're just going to internetarchive.com, then just go to audios, poetry and audio, and then just search in whatever you want to listen to. There's speeches by like Steve Jobs, even people like Conor McGregor. A lot of people would want to watch those videos. You're going to want to start picturing in your head, like, who is my audience? Is it going to be like a workout audience? Is it going to be like a business audience? Is it just going to be like pretty broad in general? And then as you do that, you're going to want to go to a site called pexels.com. One of the ones that I like to use is drone footage. And these are so appealing when you're listening to a video. They're so appealing. Like, just imagine that motivational video and then having this playing as the video, as the audio is playing. Let's see. That's perfect. And then once you find a couple that you like, I suggest getting around like 10 or so. You can just download them, free download. Boom, I got it. Grab a few of these, and also maybe you're gonna want to have like money. Actually, let's just use a new one. Money falling, imagine the speech, the music in the background, and also this playing on the screen. And that's gonna look really good. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to check on the audio that you're using. Okay, so some audios that you might use, they might only have the speech. They might not have music playing in the background. But if I remember correctly, the one that we downloaded had some music in the background. So we're not going to need to use this. But just in case you guys are creating videos and you guys need to find some audio for the background, YouTube has a awesome tool called its audio library. And this is essentially where you can find different, completely legal, completely free, whatever you need. You can sort it by genre, mood, instrumental. So let's just see. Can we find like a motivational one? Mood, inspiration. Inspiration should be close. Yeah, this one would be good depending on the feeling that you're trying to give off. But this is just an example, and then you just press right here, download. After you find the audio that you want to put behind the video, if your video doesn't already have one, all you're going to want to do is go to iMovie, okay? If you don't have iMovie, don't worry. You're just going to want to download an app called OpenShot or use that platform, okay? Super simple, super easy. Hopefully this video wasn't too hard for you guys so far. And by that, I mean that very sarcastically because this is really, really easy, okay? And then once you get to iMovie, I'm just going to show you like the last 3 steps or so. So iMovie. And then you're just going to want to create a new project if it shows up at the home screen. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your downloads, just that button right there. Find whatever you want to use. So obviously this is a video, some audio, boom. So I'm just going to import that. All you're going to want to do, set down the videos that you have. Boom, not too hard. Boom, not too hard. And then pick the audio. And I just added on right there. And let's just start the video and just see how it looks. Okay, this should take you guys like 3 minutes, maybe 5.
If you only have 24 hours in a day, your success is dependent upon.
And just imagine how good you can make this, because I'm literally putting this together in like 30 seconds.
Warren Buffett, you only get 24 hours, and I blew up literally. I went from being a high school dropout to selling 6,000 books in less than 6 months. What happened? My 24 hours.
Okay, and then let me just show you guys something super quickly, just for shits and giggles, kind of. So this video that got 30 million views. Let's take a look at how hard it was.
What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Didn't get enough.
So basically, all they did was download an audio, like I taught you guys, and they added some images. The only thing that I didn't do is they added some text. So if you guys want to add some text, titles, however you want them to be, and then just type it out. But just watch.
Sleep. Don't have enough energy. Don't have enough time. Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you, you?
That is literally all they did. I can tell you right now that this guy that created this video probably spent like 15 minutes on it. And he got 30 million views, didn't show his face, uploaded it, 885,000 likes. Holy cow. And I just want you guys to understand right now that this is something that's very scalable. This is something where you can take this and you can upload a video once or twice a week, and then you can get I'm not sure if you guys know this, but you do need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours. Okay, once you get those, you can apply for monetization and start getting paid for your videos. But with stuff like this, with motivational videos that people are going to be listening to all the time, that people are always searching up, and that these videos always get recommended, you're going to hit those numbers in no time. And for the people that are like, hey, I'm so lazy that I won't upload 1 or 2 videos a week and spend like 10 minutes a week doing so, to make this $100 to $300 a day off my YouTube, or that's just a range, but you can probably make more. This guy right here is making a lot more. Then I have another method for you guys. I always like to make it as easy as possible, so there are absolutely no excuses that you guys can't make money with YouTube, okay? And how you're going to want to do it is go to a website called Clickbank. A lot of you guys have probably heard of it. Best affiliate programs. and just find different products or services or whatever you can find on here for motivation. So if you're making like a workout video, then maybe have some like fitness programs and just add them to the description. If you're selling, if it's like a business focused video, then maybe have like I don't know, something that has to do with business. Maybe like the perfect setup for your office, a desk, a perfect chair, whatever it is. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it in the description. So I'm not sure if this guy has any affiliate links. Follow on Instagram, footage by. No, this guy doesn't have any. Good for him. But that's where you're going to want to add it. You're just going to want to put it down here. The people that are watching the videos all the time, they're going to want to look in the description. And then for a lot of these products, they're super cheap, but there's like 40 to 70% margins on some of the decent ones. So if you're selling $100 fitness program and every single person that you're able to get sign up because of your views, 40 to 70%, you're making like 40 to 70 bucks. Okay, so there are absolutely no excuses for not being able to make money in your time in quarantine, for making money off of YouTube, for making money online. This is a super simple way. It works. All you have to do is audio library, find the audio, pixels, find the images, put them onto your, if you don't have an audio behind it, you're gonna wanna go to YouTube audio library, iMovie, upload them. Doesn't even matter how you arrange them. People are gonna like the videos no matter what order they're in. You don't even have to put work into that if that's hard. And then if you want it to be like this guy that edited this video, you can add some text to it. Super simple, super easy. You guys can upload videos once or twice a week, get approved pretty fast because people are gonna be watching these videos. And when you're creating these videos, you're only gonna have to spend about 10 minutes or so, maybe a couple more minutes coming up with the title and description. The title and description will probably take you guys more time than it actually takes to edit these videos. Guys, so that's all I got for this video. I appreciate you guys watching till the end. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at connor.langley. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on there. But if you guys did get something out of this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to continue to upload these videos weekly. So I'll see you guys in the next video next week.